Hey there, and welcome to another channel video. This time I have here for review the ER40 Smart Laser Rangefinder. This is a very small device. Yeah, I already opened the box to check it, and for a quick view in the user manual seems to be packed with functions, so bear with me and we will both test this. A quick thank you for FNIRSI that sent me this device free of charge for this review, even if this review is not sponsored by FNIRSI. And to you that support the channel by using the affiliate access links in the screen or in the video description. And if you are seeing this on November 11 or 12, go nuts, because this is the best time of the year to buy on AliExpress. It's now that I do my major purchases of the year, so please use the link and go nuts. Huge discounts at this time of the year. Okay, no more chit chat, let's measure things with this little baby. Okay, so the FNIRSI IR40 is delivered in this retail box, pretty slim. It's like a drawer. We have here some specifications and parameters of it. Okay, let's open it. Okay, very nice. So we start with the user manual. It has a user manual in several languages, and I believe it should be here also Portuguese. It's my natural language, or not? No, English and Chinese. English is the first one. You have here the several ways of measuring available in here. We have distance, area, volume, and then a few more. Okay, seems very nice. The usual quality assurance stamp. It's not a stamp, it's this little card. Yeah, it has a stamp that is printed, so yeah. Okay, here it is, the unit. And it says that we have a cable inside. Let's see. This box, it's pretty neat. Yes, we have. Okay, so it's a USB Type-C to Type-A charger cable. Let's take this out of the way. And in terms of the unit, the first impressions is that this seems to be plastic or aluminium, I don't know, but it's more to plastic. It's pretty compact. It seems very easy to use. It has only two buttons in the right side. Yeah, one is the power and off. We have here the indicator for, I believe that's distance, so it should be units, and to delete also. Okay, nothing much to see. Let's power this on and see how it works. Okay, before powering up, let's take the protection off. Yeah, like this. Okay, very nice. Let's power this up. Okay, it has a very nice screen. I don't know if you are able to see, but the image, it's IPS, I think, screen, very nice. Okay, so in this corner we have the laser status. When you are registering, when the laser is on, it will blink here. As you can see, the laser is on, and you have this icon blinking. When you press it, it will be off, and the laser will not be off also. We have also the Bluetooth connection icon. It's blinking because it's not connected, and the power or the battery icon. We are right now in linear measurements, so we have 3 measurements that we can take. In terms of operation, you power on in this button here and power off in the second one. Okay, so power on and power off in the second one. The power off also, it's the clear button. For example, if you take a measurement, let's do like this, one and second one and the third one. Okay, if you want, now you can take the measurements of the screen, okay, like this, and delete it, and up to delete the whole measurement list. So other than that, if you press for a few seconds this one, the on button, you will be able to change the parameters of measurement. So you have right now area, you have volume, so you have to take the measurement of each of one of these lines, and it will register here in these values. You have Pythagorean, I think, double or quadratic Pythagorean, and so on. You have several options to measure. And after the whole cycle, you go back to the linear measurement. With combinations of keys that are in the manual, you can also calibrate the measurements, the distance that it's measured. And you can also change the unities from metric to imperial system. Okay, let's test that unit changing scheme. It says it's double click. Hey, it works very well. Inches and meters again. Okay, there's something that happens in this? No. So we have feet and we have inches and back to meters. I was not fast enough. Okay, very nice. One of the cool things that you probably already noticed is that the screen is always in the right position. It doesn't matter in which position you are using the device. The numbers or the data in the screen is always in the correct position. Yeah, like this. Okay, in terms of functionalities, that's it. Let's test the accuracy of this. Okay, something I forgot to mention previously is that this icon that I talked about that shows if the laser is on or off. Okay, but it also gives other important information. As you can see, this line on the sides, right now it's on the top of the device. So it is indicating that the measurement will start from the top of the device. If you press really quickly 2 times the off button, you can see that you now have a traced line over the right side of the device. So the main idea of this line is to show you that right now it's measuring from the bottom of the device. Why do we have that? For example, if you are measuring a wall to wall, you have to put the bottom of the device in one wall so you can measure to the other one. And it will add the size of the device to the measurement to be more accurate. On the other hand, if you are measuring from the top, like I will do here, it will be better if you have, again, it has to be quick, if the measurement is done from the top of the device. So just a note, don't forget about this while measuring. Okay, so what I will do now, I have a measuring tape over the workbench, and I will put this in several measurements to see what is the value that we get. Let's start like with 20 centimeters. Okay, I will put this over the 20 centimeters mark, like this. Right now it's measuring from the bottom. I have to change it. So right now I will put it over or on the side because I don't want to interfere with this this piece of the measurement tape here. It's on the side. Let's see. Okay, we have a laser on, laser off. So we have a measurement of 90 centimeters, 0.9, 1 millimeter difference. So it might be my error. Let's try on 30 centimeters. Okay, again. 29.8, 2 millimeters off. I think this is pretty accurate, but let me see. I have to increase a bit the length. Okay, let's try in 50 centimeters, like this on the side. Well, this one doesn't went too well. Let me try again. Okay, this might be my problem again. Okay, that's more like it. 49.8. Again, 2 millimeters difference. It might be needing calibration, or it's just, and I believe that's it. It's more like I'm not completely on the right spot for that, or even the tape measurements, it's not completely aligned. Yeah, and I think it's not completely aligned with the box. Let's try again on the 40 millimeter, on the 40 centimeters. Okay, 39.8. Yeah, it might be something with me, or just need a calibration for these 2 millimeters. But even so, it's pretty accurate. I cannot do it on a room right now, but I'm pretty satisfied with the accuracy of this. Yeah. One thing that is really cool on this device, it's the possibility to connect with a mobile phone. Let me just go here. I already have the rangefinder application installed. Let me see if he detects. Yeah, it detects. It's already in here. The signal right now is stopped blinking. And I will do the same that I was doing here. Let's put this on 30 centimeters and okay, whoops. Okay, as you can see, we have here the distance 29.8, and I think you can, whoops, let me see if I can edit this. Yeah, it has a very small icon that you need to be in there, so you can do like test 1, well, test 1. It will not allow you to insert spaces. That's a pity. Confirm. But even so, you can put the description on this one. Imagine this is a table that you want to measure or something like that. You can put the length or do whatever you need. Okay, I have here also some examples of measurement of square meters. And yeah, it's a very simple application. You don't have much stuff going on here. You have meters, feet or foot, and inches. And if you notice, while, let me show you in this side, it will be better. While I change this, it will automatically change in the device. So yeah, cool feature. And we have datum setting. What is this? Okay, that is what I was talking about. You can see here the icon changing, but on the screen you have a better understanding of what is going on. So you measure on the front, or you measure including the whole length of the device. Okay, pretty cool also. And in terms of the settings, that's what you have. As you can see, really simple to use. You have here, you can have several devices. More, what is more? the language that you are using. Okay, Chinese or English. About us, FNIRSI. Okay, some FNIRSI test, user agreement, and privacy policy. Okay, we have rename the device, delete device, or cancel. Other than saving the measurements in the mobile and be able to change the description and yeah, basically that, you also have in the bottom a small arrow that if you press, it will show you three options: the virtual measure, the calculator, and draw. If you press virtual measure like this, it will activate the laser in the device. As you can see, it's ready, and you can save several values. Just press like this, and all these values, let's see, the last one is 225, 22, something like this. And then you can come to the top and you have here the several measures that we saved. Another functionality that you have is the calculator. The calculator allows you to, for example, using one value that you measure, you can add a second value like this, and maybe a third one, add third one, and so on, and it will give you the results in here. When you press the green button, it will save it like this. So this is pretty useful if you need. You can also copy the values or go back. Okay, and finally we have the draw function. The draw function is activated by this icon. You can draw on a picture or in a plane. It's more or less easy to use. You just use, for example, the square, press on the cursor and drag. Well, let's see if I can do it. Yeah, like this. We can change the size. Okay, and I think I killed the application. Yeah, okay, another. So yeah, it has here several parameters, and you can say the measures that you took like this in the different lines. Let's select this one. Okay, and it works very well. So it's more or less easy to use. Okay, let's try to draw a line in here. Let me take the cursor and draw. No, like this. This is not so easy as it should be to start drawing. Okay, now we have it. Okay, so we have a line right now, a distance, and I can say that this is this segment has 662 centimeters. Yeah, that's it. Okay, I think I showed everything. You have, while working, it saves immediately your work to the main screen, the draw screen. Okay, you just need to exit and it is already saved there. And that's it. To wrap this up, this baby is on FNIRSI AliExpress official store at 22 euros. That is around $23, $24, and it is a very nice price for all you get with this device. You have several possible measuring options available, not only distance but also areas, volume, and so on. And it is really easy to use. Another cool feature is that you can connect it to your mobile phone and add notes to the measurements. Pretty handy when you are taking several measurements and need to take notes on them. So, in my opinion, 22 euros is a really fair price for this unit. The construction seems very good, but could not understand if this case is aluminium or plastic. I'm more inclined for the second one. The size is also good, very compact and easy to carry, in the pocket. This one was another nice addition to my toolbox and I will use it frequently. If you are impressed too, remember that you can be a channel sponsor by using the affiliate links in the screen and on the video description for your purchases. Exact same price for you and a big help for the channel. So thank you. And if this video was useful to you in any way, please help me and spread the love by slapping that like button. And if you are not subscribed yet, you should. Every week I receive new items to show you. That's it for today. Thank you for your company and I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe.